The question we are solving now belongs to test series 4. It is of signals and system subject. In specific, it belongs to Laplace transform. The question is numbered 8. As per the question, we need to find L inverse means inverse Laplace transform of log of as plus 1. Here the base is e, which implies that this is a natural logarithm. Let us suppose Laplace transform of f of t is equal to log of as plus 1 to the base e. Here we need to find f of t. We know the property Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to minus d by ds of f of s, where f of s is Laplace transform of f of t. So using this property, we can write that Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to minus d by ds of log of as plus 1. Here the base is e. This can further be reduced as minus 1 by as plus 1 multiplied by a, because derivative of log of as plus 1 is 1 by as plus 1 multiplied by a. This can further be reduced as minus 1 by s plus 1 by a. By taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides, we can write that t into f of t is equal to minus L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 by a. This is equal to minus e power minus t by a u of t. Therefore, f of t is equal to minus 1 by t multiplied by e power minus t by a multiplied by u of t. So the correct option is D.